In the vast, invisible empire of data, every journey starts with a single spark. This is a workstation. It's a node of creation, a high-performance engine for one user's imagination. A request is made, a packet is born. It carries a heavy payload of metadata, wrapped in layers of headers. First, the MAC address, the physical address of its home base. Then, the IP address, the map to its final destination in the digital wild. It leaves the workstation, moving from local comfort to the chaos of the network. This is the local area network, a bustling neighborhood of devices, all fighting for the wire. It hits the rotor, the great guide of the network, a machine that knows every path. It checks the headers, makes a decision in a microsecond, and fires the packet forward. But before it can reach the wild internet, it must pass the firewall, the silent guardian. It sifts through the flow, hunting for threats, protecting the internal world from the external void. It's out, the wide area network, a global web stretching across oceans and continents. Every hop is a leap of faith, guided by protocols that ensure nothing is lost. Finally, the destination. Not a desk, but a destination, a server. Servers are the backbone. They don't serve one user, they serve the entire empire. Here, redundancy is the law. If one rack fails, a dozen others are ready to take its place. Error-correcting code memory stands guard, catching silent flips in the data before they crash the system. The request is received, the server breathes, and a new packet, the answer, is created. Now, the return journey, back through the monoliths and into the wild. It follows the same path, but the world has moved. Time is measured in milliseconds. Re-entering the local world, the firewall acknowledges the known request. The router directs it home, the last turn on the digital highway. It arrives. The data is delivered. A video plays, a document opens, a connection is made. Workstations for the individual, servers for the system, two sides of the same coin. Understanding this journey is the foundation of IT, managing the traffic, securing the gates. It's not just about the hardware, it's about the protocols that keep the sparks flying. This is just one packet story. In our series, we'll explore every layer, from the logic of the cloud to the fortress of cybersecurity. Master the machine, understand the spark, subscribe to build the future. Part 1, the journey. See you in the next session.